Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter passwords and security. Go to lock screen, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with PIN, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Enter 4 to 16 digits and confirm. Now you can use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password. Again, enter 4 to 16 characters and use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select pattern. And once again, we are going to use it to unlock the phone. When it's done, we can go to biometrics. Firstly, let's select Face Unlock and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to fingerprint unlock, confirm with your current password, and simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.